at the school we went and did the gardening with the children. It was quite humbling for me because I know nothing about gardening. And so the kids all telling me how to garden and garden organically, which was fantastic. And so, you know, they were instructing me, and it was a great opportunity for them to be in a position to give instruction to me, because oftentimes as volunteers, you know, you're working with children and sort of instructing them. And so I liked the reverse role of the kids telling me what I needed to weed, where I needed to water. And it was a great sort of reversal of roles with the kids.
The Shona Culture Evening is for the volunteers to sit down, help to cook the food, help to learn about traditional meals, also learning about what it's like to grow up Shona and what it's like to live in Zimbabwe. And a lot of volunteers take an interest in the education system here and in you know, the situation at the moment. And it's a very honest experience. It's very real, and we finish off with some singing and dancing, which is an absolute laugh. But yeah, we enjoy the evening as a group, and yeah, as a happy family in the house. And we have local kids come out to help us get up on our feet, and we learn the traditions and customs of the Shona culture, which I think is a very humbling and important experience for volunteers that come out to Zim.